In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can print from a laptop or PC to a printer. If you do find this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say you've got something like a school assignment or work project, here's how you can print it. First things first, on your device, go ahead and click on the search bar down at the very bottom and type in settings just like so and open up your settings. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Find the Bluetooth and devices section right here and scroll down, and what you're looking for is the printers and scanners option right here. Open that up and make sure that your laptop or device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as that printer, or make sure the printer is plugged in via USB to your device. And now all you got to do is just hit add device just like so, and it's going to begin searching on your Wi-Fi connector. When your printer does appear on here, simply go ahead and select add device and the printer will be installed. Now you just got to go over to really any document. For example, we could even do something like this, which was from a recent thumbnail, and just hit Control P and it's going to pull up the printer page where you're going to see that printer option on here after you select it, and then you just got to hit print. But that is how you can print from your laptop or PC to a printer. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.